My name is Brian Schick. I head up and have responsibility for financial due diligence programs operated by Eagle Eye Security. My affiliation with Eagle Eye International is a subject matter expert, primarily focused on tax mitigation strategies, asset protection, and multi-generational wealth transfer.
In working with family offices, we have found that they also have other problems that need solving. Some of those problems were financial. Some of those problems had to do with background investigations, due diligence, areas that we weren't doing a lot of, but obviously that we were capable of doing.
Stands for Family Office Strategic Solutions. When you work at a family office level, there's basically three components to any operation we may be involved in. That is defining the goals and objectives, defining the scope of the operation, and ultimately execution thereof. Do security companies have a financial component? Sure. They'll go out and do what's called forensic accounting, perhaps get called in. There are firms that specialize specifically in forensic accounting. Something went bad, you go back and find out where it went bad and what we could have changed to prevent it in the future. This is substantially different than that. That's, like I said, a linear approach. This is more financial standpoint from due diligence, from an M&A, mergers and acquisition standpoint, come up with a totality of possibilities or answers or techniques to look at investments. The driving force of any investment is the management team.
You have to have a different approach as to how you get information on people, as to where they've been, what they've been doing, and who they have been dealing with. In some of these cases, companies don't know who these investors have been dealing with, what these companies have been a part of, who they have been talking to. Well, that's where we come in and we help them find that information out so they can make educated decisions and better decisions as to where they're going to put their money.